I tried making money watching YouTube Shorts for 7 days. I have found videos claiming that I could make $10 to as much as $22 for each YouTube Short that I watch. According to these figures, I could easily make anywhere between $100 to $220 for 10 YouTube Short videos. Today, I am putting this to the test to find out how much I can really make and whether you should invest your time in even doing this to make money. And at the end of the challenge, you will see my realistic results that will show you what is really possible. The first thing that I found out about this challenge from watching the videos was that I wasn't actually just going to be making money by watching YouTube Shorts. So that in itself was a bit of a plot twist, but nevertheless, we must go on. I instead had to actually find videos on YouTube that were either short-worthy or had a mixture of compilation videos. But this was pretty easy to do, and I think that anyone is capable of doing this. The first step I had to do was to pick a niche for which videos I would select. I decided to pick street racing as my niche, as I thought that would be a good piece of entertainment for my audience to watch, and also to mention the fact that I am a fan of Fast and Furious. I mainly just typed in the street racing as my keyword on YouTube, and then I sorted the filters by view count, which is what I was told to do in the video. Now once I found my first couple of videos, I then had to basically download them from YouTube and convert it to MP4. This was a very simple step. All what I had to do was to copy the L link from YouTube and then choose any one of these YouTube to MP4 converters. Once I converted this into the video format, I also had to get the thumbnail for the same video. Now this was also very easy. I was able to download the video thumbnails by searching for a YouTube thumbnail downloader. Now that I have both the videos and thumbnails downloaded, the next step was to sign up to a website called FebSpot. I already downloaded 10 videos each for this challenge, by the way. I just didn't want to bore you guys with the repetitive process, so we're skipping to the fun part. So FebSpot is a website where you can earn money from video creation. It says here that you can earn approximately up to $10 for 1,000 views. Now in order for this challenge to be worth it, I'm aiming to get 10,000 views on all of my videos that I upload so that I can at least make $100. I signed up to the website, which only took me about 2 minutes to fill out some details, and then I was in. The next step required me to have a double espresso to get through the process, but all jokes aside, I essentially just had to upload each video, which took some time as my Wi-Fi is slow, hence the double espresso. I then copied the title, description and tags from YouTube to match that same video, and once I did that with the first video, I then did the same process with all of the other 9 videos, and I included the thumbnails at the end. This process roughly took me an estimated time of 1 hour, but I blame the Wi-Fi and not my technical capability. Finally, I now have all of my videos uploaded onto this platform, and I noticed that I had already gained some views on the first day that I posted them. Looking at the statistics page, you can see that I had already gained views on the first day, which is not too shabby. I also noticed at the bottom of the graph, it says that monetization is available from 100 unique views for each video, and this will come from advertisers placing banners on your videos. Now all what I had to do was to sit and wait for 7 days to see my results. And just by magic, 7 days have already elapsed in the space of a couple of seconds for you guys watching the video. So I will break this down into the total amount of views that I have received for the full 7 days in just a moment. But if you look at the totals for each days, you will get an average of how many views I was actually doing. So the first day I received 33 views, but then the second day was missing on my chart, so I kind of figured that they actually included the views for the 25th of July on the 24th and merged them together. The challenge went to a good start, but then on the third day I only received 1 view, and I thought that this was not going to be good going forward as my views started to slow down. But then it did pick back up on the 4th day to 12 views, and I had 16 views on the 5th day. Now these views definitely weren't off the chart or anything special, but at least I was picking up on some views. On the 6th day, I was able to get 13 views, but then it dropped by half to 6 views on the last day of my challenge. Overall, the total amount of views that I was able to garner was a measly 81 views. My target for this challenge in the beginning was to get at least 10,000 views on all of my videos, but that clearly flopped. As a result of this challenge, I made a total of $0 as I was nowhere near that target. Upon reflection, this was one of the challenges where you had to do some prep work, which took some time, such as picking your niche, getting the videos that you wanted to include, and thumbnails that you want downloaded, and then to upload them to FebSpot. But once you have done all of this up front, you then don't have to do much else unless you want to promote the videos. Now the reason why I did not want to promote these videos is because I wanted all of my search results to come purely from organic traffic, and I also did not want to share the links as it would just cost much more of my time and the added value on that may be insignificant, and perhaps 7 days just wasn't enough for the challenge. Type YouTube Shorts money in the comments below if you have been successful with making money with YouTube Shorts doing this method. It would be great to hear your feedback on how you have got on with this challenge and if you have already done it.